this video, I'm going to introduce the formulas for free fall. Free fall is a motion of a body or object in which the only force that is acting upon it is its weight. So there's one force, and that is the weight of the object. So for the case of free fall, we'll have to make some changes on the formulas of motion. So let's see the reasons for those changes. So we have the ground, and an object is dropped from a height y. And we said that there's only going to be one force acting on the object, and that is its weight. What this means is that the gravity is the only force pulling it down. So what is happening is that we're changing the usual acceleration into gravity. So from the formulas of motion, we would change anything that said acceleration into gravity. So we will start with the acceleration ay, and that is going to be equal to gravity, but because it's going down, this has to be negative. So anything that had acceleration is going to be changed into negative gravity, out of which g is 9.8 meters per second squared. So let's start with the displacement formula. So that was the previous formula, and for the case of free fall, we will have to change the displacement x into the height y and the acceleration into gravity. So by changing that, we will obtain that y is equal to y naught plus v naught times time minus 1/2 gravity times squared. So we're changing the displacement x and the acceleration a into the height y and gravity, negative gravity actually, respectively. So this would be our first formula. So now for the second formula, we had that Vx is equal to V naught plus acceleration times time. So there's not much to change in this formula. We can change Vx into Vy because we're using y instead of x. V naught stays the same, and this becomes negative gravity times time. So this is our second formula. And finally, the third and last formula. So the formula was Vx squared is equal to V naught squared plus 2 times acceleration, all times the subtraction of the displacement x minus x naught. So like before, we changed Vx into Vy. That's theorem is squared. V naught squared is the same. Minus 2 times gravity, and we can change this to height, y minus y naught. And that is the third formula. So as you can see, you can obtain them if you know the formulas of motion, just changing acceleration to negative gravity and displacement into height. I will be solving practice problems on free fall in the next video, and I'll leave the link right here. And well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful, and if you did, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.